This is the Ulefone RugKing 2 Pro. It's a rugged phone, but not the bulky, heavy kind you usually expect. This one is surprisingly lightweight, compact, and easy to handle. It's clearly made for tough environments, but it doesn't feel like you're carrying a brick in your pocket. If you need something reliable for outdoor work or daily rough use, this phone is built exactly for that. Let's take a closer look at how it actually feels in real life. The box keeps things simple. No flashy graphics, no over-the-top marketing, just a clean, rugged-looking package that matches the phone's personality. When you open it up, the first things you see are the user manual and warranty card. And you also get a tempered glass screen protector, which is always nice to see included. After that, you'll find the RugKing 2 Pro itself. Let's put the phone aside for a moment, because underneath it, you get the power adapter and a USB-A to USB-C charging cable. Nothing extra, but all the essentials are here. Now let's talk about the phone itself. The first impression is honestly how small and manageable it feels for a rugged phone. This is not one of those oversized, super heavy devices. You can actually use it comfortably with one hand. Picking up the RugKing 2 Pro, you immediately notice how solid and well built it feels. On the right side, you have the power button and volume keys. On the left side, there's the SIM tray, and this is a nice touch because you can insert two SIM cards and a memory card at the same time. You also get a dedicated shortcut button, which you can customize for things like the flashlight or camera. At the bottom, there's a USB-C charging port and the speaker. The design strikes a good balance between a tough, tactical look and comfort in the hand. The corners are reinforced and the textured back gives you a secure grip, especially useful when you're working or wearing gloves. The RugKing 2 Pro comes with a 5.45-inch HD Plus IPS display. By today's standards, that's definitely on the smaller side, but honestly, it works really well for one-handed use, especially on a rugged phone. The resolution is 720 by 1440, and the brightness goes up to around 650 nits, so it stays readable outdoors. You'll also notice the bezels are quite thick. They're not minimal like what you see on expensive flagship phones, but that's expected here. Those slim bezel phones cost a lot more and aren't built to survive rough use. Rugged phones like this are more affordable, more practical, and way more reliable when it comes to real-world conditions. The display also has an oleophobic coating, so it resists fingerprints and smudges pretty well. For outdoor work, hiking, or daily tough use, this screen size actually makes a lot of sense. You're not carrying a mini tablet in your pocket, and the display still looks clear and easy to read even in bright sunlight. And yes, this is a proper rugged phone. It comes with IP68 and IP69, K water and dust protection, which makes it perfect for people who work outdoors, go fishing, or even want to record videos while it's raining or around water. This is a phone you don't have to worry about getting wet or dirty. The RugKing 2 Pro packs a 4550 mAh battery. You won't break any endurance records, but this is a solid capacity for a compact rugged phone. You'll comfortably get through a full day of typical use. It supports 10-watt charging and 5-watt reverse wired charging, so you can even top up accessories in a pinch. Under the hood is a Unisoc T7 250 octa-core chip, paired with 4 GB of RAM and 128 GB of storage, expandable up to 2 TB with a micro SD card. That's plenty for daily use, apps, navigation, videos, and more. It runs Android 15 out of the box, clean and simple, with features like gloves mode and the custom button shortcut. There are also useful connectivity options like Bluetooth 5.0, NFC for Google Pay and transit cards, and full GPS support. For photos, it keeps things simple. On the front, you get a 5-megapixel camera for selfies and video calls. On the back, there's just one camera, a 13-megapixel rear sensor for everyday shots. These are not flagship level cameras, and they're not meant to be, but they are reliable, which is what matters here. They work well for travel photos, documenting things on the job, or posting quick content on social media when you need it. I'm recording this video from the Ulefone RugKing 2 Pro. From the back camera, which is 13 megapixel, and this is 1080p FHD. This is 1x and this is 2x, and you can zoom till 4x. The quality is not that good, at 4x, but 1x is it's okay, it's not that bad. Okay, so this is the result. Now I'm recording this video from the front camera of RugKing 2 Pro, which is 5 megapixel and also 1080p FHD. This is the results you get from the front camera. So while video recording, you cannot zoom in. This is the result. I guess it's not that bad. It's pretty okay when you attend the video call or you wanted to record yourself from the front camera. It's okay, I guess. So that's the Ulefone RugKing 2 Pro. It's a compact, lightweight, rugged phone that focuses on the basics and does them well. You get solid durability and dependable performance for real-world use. It's not trying to compete with flagship phones, and that's exactly why it works. If you're thinking about picking one up, check the purchasing link in the description. I've left all the details there for you. Thanks for watching. I hope this review helped. If it did, don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.